Hello everyone, welcome back to our second session. In the second session, we focus on grammar Galaxy 2, right? Okay, so in this session, we will review Unit 15. So what grammar do we review in Unit 15, everyone? Prepositions of time, right? Okay, so now review the prepositions of time all together. Okay, so in Unit 15, we focus on prepositions of time, and there are two parts here, right? Prepositions of time part 1 and preposition of time part 2, right? We have 2 pages in our book. So now please focus on part 1, prepositions of time 1. So here we have 4 prepositions. At. So at we can use with the time, right? Like at 3 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, at 8 o'clock, at 9 o'clock, at 7:30, something like that, right? And we can use with the day, right? Okay, at noon, right? At night, yeah, day and night. Okay, and the second one, we focus on the preposition from blah 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 to blah blah blah, right? Okay, like example, from June to September. Okay, from June to September. Okay, so this one you use from blah blah to, right? To show the period of something, right? Okay, like example, you had the final exam from 9:30 to 11, right? Okay. Well, so now let's continue to letter C. On. Okay, letter C we focus on, like example, on Tuesday. So here we use with day of the week, right? On Tuesday. Remember, when you use days of the week, you have to use with on, preposition on. And to make sure that days of the week, it is written in uppercase, okay? Written in uppercase. Don't be confused or don't write it in small letter or lowercase, no, okay? Okay, so now let's continue to the other one. On Friday afternoon. So on Friday afternoon, Friday evening, Friday morning, we also use with preposition on, right? And one more, it's about this one, July 28, right? You say July 28, this one you also use with on, okay? On, preposition on. Okay, so now I hope you can understand preposition at, from, to, from blah 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 to blah blah blah, and on very well. Let's continue to one more preposition, in. Okay, for in, first we use with month, like in December, in January, in February. So to make sure that when you use with the month, you have to use with preposition in, okay? Month, you use with preposition in. How about this one? In the winter, in the summer, in the fall. So what is it, everyone? Season. So when you use with the season, you also use with preposition in. In 2014, in 2021. So what is it, everyone? Year, okay? So year you also use with preposition in, okay? You have to be sure with all of these prepositions, so you will use it in the correct way in the sentence or in your spoken. Okay, well, so now let's continue to number 2. Number 2, prepositions of time, part 2. Well, so here we have 6 prepositions. First, before, okay? Before. First, preposition is before. So like, you know, before, when you talk about before, mean before something, right? Example, let's practice before the show. Okay, so before the show, you have to practice something, right? Okay, so before. Well, so now let's continue to after. After is opposite with before. Before start first and after start later, right? Okay. So the second preposition is after. I'll see you after the show. mean the show finish and then you see her or see him, right? During mean a period of time of doing something, we call during, right? Well, so here during here, you can't eat during class, mean a period of time that you are in the class, don't eat, okay? Don't eat. So during here. For, okay, for here we talk about a period of time, right? We talk for 3 hours, so a period of time is 3 hours, okay? 3 hours. We talk for 3 hours, okay? In, okay? In here is different from in here, okay? In here we use with month, season and the years. How about in here? In here it talk about in something that is limit with the time, okay? Limit with the time. Like example, the play starts in 2 hours, so now not yet start, okay? You have to wait 2 more hours and then the play start, okay? In here we use with the time, okay? The time to show that, mean if you say, I say the test will start in 30 minutes, okay? So you have to wait 30 minutes and then the test start, right? Okay. Well, so now let's continue to the last one, until, okay? Until. This is the last preposition for today, okay? Please stay until 3 o'clock. So you stay from now until 3 o'clock, you have to wait or you have to stay there, right? Okay, so this one, until. Well, so now let's combine all the prepositions. So how many prepositions are there, everyone? There are 10 or 9, right? Because in we have the same, right? At, from, blah, 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 to, blah, 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 on, in the same. So yeah, it can be 1 or 2, but it can be 2 because it used differently, right? Before, after, during, for, in, and until. Okay, so now we finish our second session, and in this session I hope you can use all of these prepositions correctly in your writing and speaking. Okay, so see you in the next video. Goodbye, class.